In this video, I'm going to walk you through the materials prep for Lesson 7 of Unit B.1 from Open Syed. Okay, this is a pretty big lesson that you will need to prep for. So this is the Serengeti game, and I will say that I have done this game with teachers, and it takes a long time to help people understand how to play this game, but it is well worth it. And it really does model, though, what we're trying to figure out is that group behavior is beneficial. And so if you ordered a kit, you will get all the game components, including either stickers to make your game tokens using poker chips and stickers, or it might already be created for you. The tokens are created, and all the cards that you will need. If you do not have a purchased kit, you will need to print out a few things. And so let me start with that. If you look down here, you will see that you will need event cards. So those you will need to print out per group that you will be playing the game. They will each have a set of event cards. So you'll need to cut them up and create those cards for each group. And then you will also need the Serengeti board game. This is to be printed on a poster size paper, an 18-inch by 24-inch paper. So hopefully you have the capacity to do that. There is also a YouTube video, and I would say watch this video, figure out how to play the game and read all the directions. But you can play this video with your class too if you want, if you really need support in learning how to play. But as I talked about in the other video, what I would do is use that slideshow and walk students through the first round. So if you haven't seen the other video on Lesson 7, I explain how to do that there. But this is more kind of for you to figure out how to play the game. But once you've done one round with students, they can do the rest of the rounds by themselves. Some will get done faster than others. The point is, at the end, you need to really just get to the main idea that group behavior is beneficial. It's beneficial for the predators and it's beneficial for the prey. So that's your, learning goal at the end when you analyze your data. And also how to create an algorithm. If you are creating your own game, you also need to get some tokens. So here's some tokens from Amazon that are 1 inch. It goes with the 1 inch stickers. Here's a template that you can print out onto an Avery sticker sheet. And so you would need Avery label 94500 and you print it out. Color is preferable. It is a little hard to tell the difference between the hyena and the wildebeest. So you might want to get 2 different color tokens for that. And if all of this is too much and you don't have a kit, there's an online version. So somebody has made this. I got it from Facebook. Forgive me if I don't know the name, but it's on Facebook in the Facebook group. So check it out. There's an online version and you can have students play on a computer if that is easier and you don't have all these materials. But if you do have a kit, and you do have all the things printed out already for you, what you will need per student is a handout. Actually, you don't need it per student. You'll need 1 per wildebeest student, the Meet Your Wildebeest. You'll need a Meet Your Lion and a Meet Your Hyena. So those are 3 that you're going to hand out to those agents. Now, if you have a large class, you will probably put students in pairs. And so a pair will be a wildebeest and a pair will be a lion and a pair will be a hyena. So the groups will be groups of 6 when they play the game, if that helps you with your numbers. Game data collection. This is where they will record who wins and who loses the hunting events. And so you will need to print that out more than 1 page. They'll keep a record of several pages. You also need general game instructions. I think I would only print out 1 per group and have 1 person be like the game rule checker. You don't really need 1 per person unless that's how you're going to go through the game with students. If you're going to use that to go through the game with students, then print 1 out per student. And then this is after the game to analyze the data and also to create that algorithm. This would be the handout you would use for that. So that's after the game, usually day 2. Okay, let's see. Over on this right side, again, game tokens and stickers. You'll just need to create those. Oh, dice. You need dice. So if you're playing this game and you don't have a kit, you don't need 2 colors of dice. It's easier because you're going to compare them. When you have a hunting event, you're going to line up one predator or prey against the other. And so it's best if you have 2 colors of die, but it doesn't need to be. As long as they can kind of keep track of which line of die are theirs. Okay, so I think that's about it. The one thing I will say is putting the stickers on the tokens takes a very long time. Might be something you have a class help you with, or a teacher assistant, if they still exist. Anyway, so this can be kind of a lot of prep, not only just to get the game boards like all set up. I would say put the tokens in little plastic baggies to hand out, and but also just to figure out how you're going to play the game. So take some time to go through the slideshow, watch my other video, and good luck. This is a lot of fun. It will take absolutely a whole period of class. I've actually had to take a whole block period before. I mean, this can take a while, but people don't need to finish. You just need a couple people to finish if that's what you need to get the data to have your building understandings discussion. But play it. It's fun. All right. Good luck. You'll need it this time. All right. Bye-bye.